Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix app not compatible with your device error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The app not compatible with your device error typically occurs when an app requires features, software or hardware that your device doesn't support. So what you can do is check your device compatibility, which is the apps page on the Google Play or your Android or App Store for iOS, and check requirement listed, minimum Android or iOS version, and specific hardware requirements. And then solution is to update your device operating system and then confirm that your device meets the listed requirements. Number 2 is to update your device operating system. So head over to your settings, and once you're inside the settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside general, you'll find the option that says software update. Tap on it, and then if there are any available updates, simply update to the latest version. Now number 3 is to clear app store cache. Head over back to the settings and then tap on general once again, then tap on iPhone storage, and here scroll down and then locate app store. Let me just assume this messenger is the app store, and once you tap on it, here you will be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.